What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day out there today. I'm very excited to be talking to you today about an actual product which I have been using for quite some time now, and quite frankly, I couldn't really go without it. It's to do with security online and a few other things as well. Basically, the space that I work in, working online in finance and crypto, I receive a lot of different emails, whether that be through new job applications or just people talking to me about new offers. Maybe it's my internet service provider or something like that. And I have to say, I've actually been scammed out of some money in the past, and that is actually why I've decided to start using this service today, and that basically can't happen anymore. And I'm going to be talking to you today exactly about why and how. All right, now here we are on the website at emailawesome.com. Accurate, fast, and secure email verification at your fingertips, folks. So this is great. As I said, I've been using it for some time now, and we're basically going to be giving you a bit of a demonstration on how it works, showing you how it works with an email that is actually verifiable and also an email that isn't. All right, so there's a few really good catches here. All right, so you don't actually pay for anything that's unknown, guys. So they're only going to charge you if you can actually get clear and actionable results here. They have a catch all detection feature, folks. So they're able to actually spot and catch all those mailboxes where others are actually going to be failing. And in terms of API, CSV, and one-shot, guys, you can use API, upload CSV, or one-shot verification if you're going to be doing things like that. And what's super cool, if you're someone that wants to actually go ahead and use the interface for campaigns, or you are going to integrate via APIs for that full automation, which I do highly recommend you check out. If you may be self-employed, small, medium, large business guys, you can go ahead and do all that. Okay, so you can have a look, you can read the documentation here. It actually takes you through how to do it all in real time. Okay, the UI is super good. We're going to be showing you that in just a moment, guys. They don't just validate those emails, they actually show you all of the science behind it. Okay, so if you're a bit of a nerd, bit of a geek, you're going to be able to see how all of this actually works in real time, folks. I've got a few different plans that you can go ahead and choose from, which we will also cover at the end as well. And folks, guys, they're handling a lot of data, okay? Over 1 million emails per month, and all of the testimonials are here. I do suggest you do take your time and read through them like I have. All right, folks, let's actually go ahead and I can show you how this works, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, we are logged in on my account here, and we're gonna paste in just an email here from a recent contract work that I've basically been issued, okay? So I actually know who this person is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit verify on this. All right, so once you do input that email address, folks, it's gonna pop up here in your recent activity there. As you can see, the status is in progress. It does give you the date and the corresponding email.
This video is sponsored by PrimeLink. If you're tired of messy links and complicated tools, PrimeLink has everything in one place. You can create clean URL shorteners, generate QR codes directly from your links, and build bio pages that showcase all of your important content in one single page. So what really does make PrimeLink different from other platforms? PrimeLink is faster, more customizable, and truly user-friendly. No confusing dashboards, no paywalls, and absolutely no hiding basic features. And brands that want to look professional, but without having to overpay. Try today at primelink.net and make your digital presence simpler and stronger. The link will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comment. Let's get back to the video.
And while we wait for that, I'm just gonna give you an example, okay? So let's type in fake email. All right, fake email at gmail.com. All right, we can verify. Okay, so now we have a couple just in progress there. So on top of that, in the actual logged in user interface here, folks, on top of single verifications, you can actually do bulk verifications as well, okay? So you can drag and drop your files here, and you can do a batch full of emails, okay? So you got a ton of emails in there, you just want to get them all done at once, drop them all there, get them all verified, okay? You got your API verification section here, okay? That's where you go ahead and create your API key if you do want to use that to connect to another service, okay? You got your subscription info there, the delivery optimizer as well. And what's great is that, guys, you can get 998 credits here. all right, on the free package. So quite frankly, there's no reason why you wouldn't actually want to go ahead and try this out, because I'm telling you right now, you're going to realize pretty quickly how valuable this actually is. Oh, and have a look at that. As you can see, this has just come through in real time that our recent contract employer has come through with a valid tick. Okay, woohoo! So we've got the green thumbs up there. Okay, so just showing that that is actually valid. All right, folks, as you can see on these two emails here, which not really emails, okay? I put them in and they both come through as invalid, okay? There's a hotmail.com one where it's worked for as invalid, and also a gmail.com one. So that just shows you that the service does flag invalid emails. So once your free trial is up, folks, I highly recommend you jump in for probably at least this one here, because they're giving an 80% off for 6 months using the codes here. 2K, all right, per month in terms of successful verification. Okay, so brought down from $7 to $1.40. Folks, the link is at the very top of the video description when you're ready to get signed up, also in the pinned comments, okay? And if you're a big business, need to do a few more verifications, you go ahead with this one here, I'd say $30 per month. Alrighty folks, so that is all for today's video talking about emailawesome.com. Look, I've had a great time using this service, and it is a service that I am personally going to continue using because it's about security. I don't want to get scammed. I want to be able to verify all the various emails that do come in, whether they're work opportunities, new deals. Let's face it, whatever email service you use, you're going to be getting a lot of potentially fraudulent emails, phishing attacks and scams and so forth. You want to avoid all that, all right? Just keep your stuff secure. Just in the same way you would have a VPN, you should really have an email verification checker like Email Awesome. So as I did mention, the links to get signed up will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, of course, subscribe, hit notifications, and comment down below if you think this is a service that you're going to be trying out for free today. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.